Hello, learners! I hope you're well and safe. This is me, Teacher Queenie. I would like to welcome you all to our science class. Today, we will learn about force and motion. I want you to listen carefully because at the end of the lesson, you are expected to define force and motion, classify the types of forces, and compare contact and non-contact forces. Let's get started. I want you to look at the pictures on the screen. What can you see? That's right, there's a ball. Very good. There's also a person. Correct. There's also a car. Now, how do these objects move? First of all, we need to understand that force makes objects move. What is force, by the way? Force is a push or pull exerted on an object. It is a result of the contact or interaction between two objects. Let's take, for example, the soccer ball. The boy applies force in kicking the ball. Kicking the ball requires you to push the ball hard to move it. Let's have another example. The person is walking. The person uses force to move forward. We can walk if we push ourselves forward. Another one, the car. The car moved and stopped because of the force applied on its engine and tires. Everything moves when force is applied on it. Aside from moving, everything will also stop because of force and change direction. Since there is a change in direction, then there is motion. Motion is a change in position. It's the action or process of moving or being moved. Force is categorized into types. It can be at contact between two objects or there is no contact. These forces are called contact and non-contact forces. Let's have first contact forces. These forces are forces that result from physical contact. These forces are in which an object is in contact with another object. Just like what you've seen with the boy earlier. The boy kicked the ball because of contact forces. His foot touched the ball and made it move. Another example, let's have throwing a ball. In throwing a ball, you need to touch the ball to make it move. Therefore, you need contact force. There are also other examples of contact forces. Just like, for example, flipping book pages, pushing a toy car, closing the door, and pulling a rope. This time, let's learn about non-contact forces. Non-contact forces are forces that act at a certain distance. They are forces applied by an object to another object without direct contact with another object. Let's take, for example, the magnet pulling coins from a distance. There are also other examples of non-contact forces. Let's have static electricity, an apple falling down from a tree, and the free fall of a ball towards the earth because of gravity. So that's it, learners. I hope you were able to get the lessons. Are you ready for a quiz? If you are, you can get your notebook and answer the following questions. What is force? What are the types of forces? How do contact and non-contact forces differ from each other? Thank you very much for listening. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and click the notification bell for more videos. Stay tuned because in the next video, let's have balance and unbalanced forces.